Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how you can upscale or enhance your images or any pictures in Canva Pro. So only Canva Pro allows you to upscale or enhance your image. So after adding your image, you might notice it's a bit blurry and low quality right now. Let's enhance it to the highest quality. So just select the image and go to Edit, and you'll see the option to upscale. If you can't find it, just click on See All, and you'll see the upscale option. Just click on it, and it will take a minute to load. After that, it will automatically enhance itself. Now it's already enhanced. Let's see the difference. So this is the enhanced one, and this is the blurry one from before. This is the before, and this is the after. Look at how enhanced and upscaled it is with Canva. So this is a short video, and you saw the process of enhancing or upscaling the quality of your image in Canva Pro. If you have any confusion or any questions related to any Canva videos or this video, you can comment below. I will answer all your questions. If this video really helped you, then please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll bring more helpful and informative videos in the future.